this is Priya, your online fitness coach, and welcome back to my channel. So this time मैंने सोचा कि एक बहुत बेसिक चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जो कि है वेट लॉस वर्सेस फैट लॉस. सो ये काफी कॉमन टॉपिक है एंड इफ यू सी देयर लॉट ऑफ मेनी पीपल हु वांट टू लूज वेट बट दे डोंट फोकस ऑन द फैट पार्ट. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट मैं एक वीडियो बनाती हूँ जिसमें आई विल क्लियर द कॉन्सेप्ट्स अबाउट द वेट लॉस एंड फैट लॉस सो दैट इट विल हेल्प यू आउट इन योर फिटनेस जर्नी एज वेल. तो आपने काफी देखा होगा कि लोग बोलते हैं मुझे 10 kgs लूज करना है, मुझे 20 kgs लूज करना है, मैं कैसे पतली हो जाऊं, मैं कैसे पतला हो जाऊं, मैं कैसे ये कर पाऊंगा. बट वेट लॉस एंड फैट लॉस आर टू डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स एंड in fact you should focus more on fat loss and I'll tell you why. See, if suppose let's take an example, like if you take a guy who is 63 kgs and another guy who is 63 kgs, एक मोटा है और दूसरा is having good lean muscle mass. So whom would you like to see at the best? That time weight doesn't matter irrespective of age and height. So the fat guy is also 63 kgs and the guy who is leaner is also 63 kgs. So that's what I was trying to clear the concepts about the fat loss and the weight loss, that fat loss matters a lot. Then the weight keeps on fluctuating. Now weight fluctuations can happen due to various reasons. First, when you are constipated. Second, in females, when you are near your periods or you are during that time. Third, when you're not having enough water. And fourth, when there's a lack of sleep and also a lot of stress. So just don't depend upon the weight loss thing कि हाँ आपका आप जैसे आज देख रहे हो आपका weight है 63 kilos, कल देख रहे हो 62.8, अब परसों देख रहे हो आप तो दिखा रहे हैं 64. Now what happens? You get demotivated and you start binge eating, which is not required. What you can do instead of that, why fat loss should be given more of importance rather than the weight loss, I'll tell you. So fat loss से क्या होता है, जब आप अपने अंदर visible changes देखते हो, जब आप measurements लेते हो week by week, जब आपको दिखता है कि हाँ I have lost 1 inch from the waist, 1 inch from the arms or 1 inch from the hip area, so you get happy even. और तब आपको ना weight मैटर नहीं करेगा. और जब आप ऐसे हर वीक अपने फोटोज लोगे ना, फ्रंट भी हो गया, साइड भी हो गया, बैक भी हो गया, मेजरमेंट्स ले रहे हो, मतलब प्रॉपर ट्रैकिंग कर रहे हो आप अपने प्रोग्रेस की, सो दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन यू वोंट पे अटेंशन टू द वेट बिकॉज यू आर हैप्पी विथ व्हाट विजिबली यू आर लुकिंग एट. सी, weight does not determine how toned you are, how fit you can get into your clothes. So weight, I get it कि आप weight check करना important, but yeah, once a week it's fine and you can check it early in the morning, empty stomach, but give more importance to fat loss. Whatever your weight is, suppose me being at height of 5'6" and my age is 25. So according to me सब बोलते हैं कि नहीं तुम्हारा weight तो 54 होना चाहिए, तुम्हारा weight 52 होना चाहिए, but नहीं. What suits me better is when I look myself in the mirror, I should look lean enough, even if I am maintaining that at the weight of 59. So the weight doesn't come into this case. I also have clients who actually, they start stressing out over the fact that कि मैम मेरा 500 grams बढ़ गया, मेरा 1 kg बढ़ गया है, and that actually stresses a lot and उससे क्या होता है, they because of that stress weight और बढ़ता है. तो in that case, if it is becoming really stressful for you all, what you can do is you can take a break from the weighing scale. You can track your progress by taking the measurements and all, but yeah, I mean you can take a break from the weighing scale for a while so that you can take that stress out of your head. So the point of me making this video about weight loss versus fat loss was the only reason that please I request everyone to focus on the fat loss, focus on the visible changes that you see in yourself. That will motivate you more and keep you positive and active throughout the day, rather than just looking at the weight and when the weight goes up you guys just start panicking. It's not required. So there will be, see, I'll tell you very frankly, there will be weeks when you won't lose a single gram, but that doesn't mean you're not making any progress. See, when you compare every week, there also you won't see huge or drastic changes every week, but you have to be really patient with your journey. So thank you guys, this was all about the video and I hope कि आपके concepts fitness से related जो भी टॉपिक्स मैं पोस्ट कर रही हूँ क्लियर हो. अगर नहीं हो रही है प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन DM मी ऑन माई Instagram हैंडल which is bfitwith_coach Priya. That's all. Thank you so much.